In the heart of ancient Mexico, where the sun kissed the earth and the air buzzed with energy of life, there existed a tradition known as the dance of the Aztec drum. Long ago, in a small village among the mountains, there lived a young boy named Xochitl. Xochitl was filled with deep love for his people and their rich cultural heritage. He was especially drawn to the rhythmic beats of the Aztec drums, which echoed through the village during the festivals and ceremonies. One day, as Xochitl wandered through the village, he stumbled upon a group of elders gathered around a beautiful drum carved from a trunk of a sacred tree. The drum was adorned with symbols and patterns, each one telling a story of the ancient gods and heroes of their people. Intrigued by the drum's beauty, Xochitl approached the elders and asked if he could learn to play. The elders, sensing the young boy's passion and dedication, welcomed him with open arms and began to teach him the ancient rhythms and songs of their ancestors. For weeks, Xochitl practiced for a long time, his hands moving in harmony with the beat of the drum. He poured his heart and soul into each note, feeling a deep connection to the spirit of his people with every stroke. As the day of the village festival drew near, Xochitl's excitement grew. He longed to share the joyous sounds of the Aztec drum with his community, to bring forth the music that would honor his ancestors and celebrate their culture. Finally, the day arrived, and the village square was filled with vibrant colors and sounds of the festival. Xochitl took his place at the center of the square, the drum resting before him. As he began to play, the rhythm of the beats of the drum filled the air and filled the hearts of all who listened with a sense of pride and belonging. The villagers danced and sang, their voices blended with the joyful sounds of the drum in a celebration of life and unity. In that moment, Xochitl realized the true power of music that brings people together to bridge the gap between past and present and to inspire hope for the future. And as he played on, his heart soared with the knowledge that the spirit of the Aztec drum would live on in the hearts of his people for generations to come.